All right, there we go. All right, so it's pretty late, and I slept 3 hours today, so I want to go to bed really soon. But there are a couple things, there are a couple more things I want to do before that, and I'm thinking if I might just try publishing my mod at the end of this episode. Uh, we'll see if I have time though. I don't want to go with. I don't want to do more than like 20 minutes here. I'll be so real. Okay, so the first thing I want to do is I want to have a menu button in the pause layer. I don't think this should be all too hard to do. I'll just add a little anything in the pause, whatever. Oh my god, I'm so fucking tired. Okay. Yeah. By the way, before we continue, I just want to say I kept working a bit on the logo, and let us see here the progression. We went from this logo, my little sketch thing, to this with my photo bashing, and then I decided like I like this so much, but at this point, I mean here at first it was just a generic guy with guy hair. I want this to represent me more, and Loki, it was such a cool pick. I just wanted to make it my profile picture as well. While I'm at it, I hope there's no rule against that or something. Anyway, here's what we ended up with. Wait, here's the full definition version. I added the hair. This is photo bashed, so you take like I have a photographs of hair, and I just magic wand select them, and then I make them black, and I put it on the head here. And actually, look at that! It looks tasty. And I also added a little keyboard thing here, which I thought was kind of cute because we do be playing on keyboard. And I also removed the thing from the screen here just because, it's so nice. I believe, did I also... I believe I have a long-haired version here. Yeah, this is long-haired version with the percentage just for the in-game menu. So let's take a look at it. Right here. Doesn't that look amazing? I'm actually... Okay, this one here looks so generic and boring. And it is kind of the most obvious thing in the world is like, oh, you have a mod which has some asset. You just put the asset, make a background. I have 4 assets. I had 3 assets, so I just put them next to each other with a spike. Not very creative. This time I did something similar. I still have that asset is the percentage, which is here on the screen here. This is imagined to be a computer screen, right? And so here we go. We have a player playing the game. This is photo bash from both my own body and other people, and I try to make a pretty cool hairstyle that can, you know, I'm making this my profile picture actually because it is kind of me, you know. It looks really awesome. I mean, when this, let's look at some recent mods. Like when this shows up, it's gonna be cool. CBF extrapolate. What the fuck? What? Oh. Man, this actually sounds fucking awesome. Sheet? Is it a sheet? I'm gonna have to ask someone else about that. Damn, that sounds awesome as fuck though. I'm gonna have to try that. Anyway, I feel like there's a lot of cool things, but there's not a lot of circles. Okay, this one was a circle. Okay, I'm always such a tryhard. I don't know, but also it's like I don't know. I thought it was kind of a cool icon. It like kind of shows you're playing the game, you're getting the win rate. I mean, what more can I say? And I just kind of wanted to make some really fucking badass art while I was at it. It just it looks nice. It looks nice, and I like it. Anyway, I want to go to bed as soon as possible. So let's actually get some stuff going. Basically, we want to hook. Well, let's see if it exists. Pause layer. Okay, here it is. Okay. We're gonna make a new file here. I'm thinking I'm just gonna make this in a single CPP because this is a WR pause layer .cpp. Let's damn, it's been a while since I've done this actually. I do believe that all I'll have to do is I'll have to include the actual thing, right? And then we're gonna go, I'm gonna do the whole namespace thing. I mean, it's kind of nice. I like having the namespace. Okay, I would also like to, I'm pretty sure I'm gonna have to include WR stats menu.hpp. I think that's how I did it previously. Yeah, okay. Basically, we want to include the stats menu. Nice. Now, let me think about this. Okay, so usually you do the whole class modify. Am I tripping? Yeah, my name and then its name. Okay. What the hell? Okay, we have a little thing here. Whatever. I think I'm gonna have to make a little fields just to store the button in. So we're gonna do what? Oh, right, it's also there. Okay. There's like semicolons on two things. It's on the struct and it's on this one, but it's not on the functions. So that, or is it on functions? Am I just going off the deep end? No, it's not on the functions. So it's like, it's just confusing. Like, what the fuck? This is like, I've only ever done C++ for this mod, these mods. So, I'm just learning all this. Okay. Okay, let's make a little button. I don't need much more than that. I guess I should include should I make a custom stats menu for the pause, because right now I'm thinking my previous system worked through. Okay, so when we're playing here, for example, and we press here, it works by actually like fetching the data from the JSON file each time you open. But when we're in the level, it won't actually save the data if we go into the menu. So just calling this menu wouldn't actually work. Oh my god. Yeah. So let me think about this. I guess. What was my idea even? I'm so fucking tired. Okay. So if looking at this, when we're initializing this, we're doing like a bunch of things, right? But to actually call it, yeah, here it is, the create. Then you need the name ID and the name current. Should I just should I rename this to WR constant as well? I don't know. Who cares? This doesn't work because last time we were outside a level and we wanted to fetch a level. But now if we fetch the level while we're in there, well, I guess I could just save the game. Yeah. I could just literally save the level. Okay, actually, I don't feel like making two new files, so we're just gonna do it that way. So we're gonna define a little button here, and we're gonna use. Let me think about this. So yeah, you need to use init. Whenever we have a button, we need. Okay, now when I need to make the fucking init. Wait, how's it called now again? Okay, whatever. Okay, nice. And now we just need to check. Let's find my appropriate place to put this. Let's consider this real quick. Okay. I do like the left-hand side here. A lot of nice buttons. I feel like this should be reserved for the actual game. So I'm thinking, let's check what this is. We have a left button menu. Okay. Left button menu. Main layer. Man, I need to remember how I did all these things. What the fuck? I think I need to do the thing where I find getting nodes. Yeah, this is directly in the post layer. So I think, can I do this? I think I can do this. Okay. This left button menu. Left menu. Okay. Now we're gonna create a little button for it. Whoops. I'm gonna do that the same way I've done it previously by copy pasting. Okay, we need to make a sprite. We don't actually want. Let's go here. Why am I redoing all this? I should have just copied it from here, actually. What the fuck? Do, 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 do. Do, 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 do. Do, 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 do. Nice. Okay. Stats. On the stats. Okay. Nice. Now we also just need to add it as a child and update the layout. On stats. Okay, we're gonna do a void on stats. Oh, it needs to be like the object. Whatever. Isn't it just XCC object? Star, right? Big O. Okay. So here, for now, let's just return. Okay, I'd like to keep the percentage. Let's call it WR. WR pause stats. Okay, there we go. We've now added a button, and I think so far it should just work. That's cool. I mean, yeah. I should. Oh. Next up, I need to access the play layer somehow because we want access to the win rate and the time length. The current win rate and time length. And probably the data count as well. We got an error. What the fuck? What did I do? Um, Okay, so there was like an error. What? Did I like initialize it wrong? Class star modify. Dollar modify. Pause layer. I don't get it. Why do just random things crash? Have I missed something? It's a fucking thing again. It's the fucking binding. Ugh. Oh, it's because I just copy it from the page, right? Oh my god. Oh, uh, another error. I think I maybe didn't save it. I didn't. What? I swear to God. Geode modify player object. Let's see, have I messed something up? Let's not include that for now. What could possibly be crashing it? I don't get it. Does it have anything to do with those? Okay, I'm gonna do like this. Okay, so there's a mod. Playtime tracker. I'm gonna go copy tracker's homework. You are the best mod, and you do stuff very cleanly. I very much appreciate you, Playtime Tracker, if you see this. Very cool, very cool. Damn, I like the fact that the readme is very short. I should probably make my readme shorter as well. I just copied the pop out. Anyway, pause pop up. What? Oh wait, no, that's the wrong one. Here it is. Mixed it up. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna start with this. I'm gonna simply I'm gonna make it empty. If it crashes now, I have absolutely no clue what's going on. Okay. So it does seem that that works. Now let's try just include modify and whatever. Let's just comment all that out. Go one more time. Day after day we play. It worked. Let's define our new little class thing here. There, right? It works. Thank you. Let's just like that. Is maybe I'm not including like based button sprite. Don't I use that? I think I might use that. Wait, is that it? Because I don't see any other changes really. No, it already breaks. My bool init is apparently wrong. What the fuck? Oh, it doesn't have a bool in it. It's a custom setup. Oh, I see, I see. So instead you do, wait, let me try this. Void custom setup. Yeah, you just do it for me. Okay, nice. I actually appreciate that. Now I know what's wrong. So I can basically just grab all this, put it in here. Oh, wait. Put it all in here. And then we're gonna dum. I think so. This is a built-in thing with custom setup. It's some other stuff. That's because that's another mod specific thing. Okay. Anyway, we have a little button here, and this should work, I think, because we're actually using the correct thing. Yep. Oh my god, I'm so fucking tired. I should be in bed already. I'm gonna sleep to scary stories. That's how I sleep. And I'm gonna need to sleep like at least 9 hours tonight, actually. Okay, I'm thinking. Check here. What you said? Oh, that you only meant when. It seems we crashed. Ugh. So wait, is post layer the one that just is really weird? the hell? Why is it so strange? So I have to like do it in some other fashion. Okay, let's just zoom in here and realize what's going on. Okay. So upon okay. Well, that's easy enough. We can get the current level ID. Does my system work like that? So that I think it does. I can probably do a similar thing here. But anyway, it's not necessary. Okay. So button sprite, whatever. I'm gonna do it with my way, using circle button sprite because that works great. Let's just, I guess, like comment this out. Oops. Yeah, actually, this was a lot more complicated than I thought, and this is not getting done today. I'm gonna be up for real. So we just define it here. Okay. I guess. But then stat is equal to the thing with the sprite, whatever. Whatever they're forced to have. I should probably add an option actually to remove the pause button because it can be very crowded there. Auto left menu. I'll reset the ID. What? So I'm so confused because here I can apparently just add the child. This should apparently work. Okay, actually there's an error here somewhere, probably. Yeah, okay. Button stats. Boom. 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 Now it should work. Nope, it should not because here we also have a button stats. And now I think everything should work. So I'm thinking on stats. Here's what we're gonna do. Always all for the best because it is. Yep. You know what? Okay, I'm gonna add a new little function here. Well, maybe not here. It's probably. Ugh, so many fucking functions. I should probably make this HPP and CPP. And actually, I need to wrap all of this as well before I turn it in. Oh my god. Okay, I feel like actually post update should be all the way up there though. There we go. I moved it up. Okay. Let's go all the way down and take a save for level ID std string level ID. Okay, nice. Now I'm gonna go up here and I don't think that will cause any issues. So we'll move all of this here. Oh, but it's all for the best because it is. Okay. Yes, okay. Nice. So now we can go up here and we will just save to for level ID level ID. What? Am I tripping? I've forgotten how I called my own functions. Am I tripping? Yes, there's a. Yes, there is. I added it. It's right there. Okay, I'm gonna just. Okay, what the fuck is wrong? What? Ugh. You know what? Fuck it. Here's what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna go up here, put this back here. Guess it works. And oh, did I copy another? And then I'm just gonna add another one of those over here. Init is just a bit strange. And that's fine. And now we're gonna go into post layer here, and we're gonna create a function. Oh, but it's all for the best, because it is. Alright, so we're gonna just uncomment this. And we apparently don't need a button, but we do need a... Let's do it like here. We do need just an std string with the level ID. Oh, that's right, it's supposed to be m level ID. Okay, anyway. Oh. Actually, I'm not gonna do it in this way. I'm gonna do it in my own way, because I find that it will probably... It's possible that it will cause problems. I'm gonna do the whole get the play layer thing. Okay. Save for level ID. That's nice. So that's done. But we still need our level ID and level name. Yeah, we have both of those here. And I do believe that that is defined. Yeah. Okay. Player object. Yes, here it is. Okay. Autoplay layer. I'm just gonna take this. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna do it like this because I don't actually want to return. this one. Oh wait, I guess like that. It's kind of funny. Oh yeah, we need to. If that is the case, then we're gonna use level ID. Is equal to PL. I'm thinking, actually, what if that should work? And now the final thing I need to do is just include WR stats menu. Okay, and now I can go into stats menu, and actually WR menu, and on stats. Okay, I think I can just basically copy this. Well. Oh, that's right. It's this. No, wait, it's not even mfields right now, right? Is it just like this? Oh, yeah, that's because it's not actually that. It's supposed to be this. Okay, now I'm confused. What do you mean there's no M level ID? There quite actually is. What do you mean? Oh my god. Okay. Nice. Oh yeah, that's because this is a class. Well, here I'm working with a fucking different thing. So many things to fucking keep track of. Okay, whatever. I think this should work now. Now I should be able to just be able to open. Yeah, I'm going to bed right now after this. After just checking that this works, I'm so fucking tired, and I'm afraid that I'm still not gonna be able to fall asleep in a little bit. No. What? Okay. And simultaneously, this like window just doesn't want to fucking show me everything because it just keeps going. What the fuck? Did it crash again? Okay, something is obviously wrong. I can't do this right now. I'm so fucking tired. Yeah. It seems to be in the right track. I think this should work, frankly. It should work fine. That way you'll have the fucking button or whatever. Whatever, I'm so fucking tired. Bye bye. I'll finish this tomorrow. Everything that's left is adding this button in the pause layer. And then I just wanna, in stats menu, I wanna make a new button. And that new button is basically just it's gonna say your win rate and it's gonna say your time for 100%. And there's gonna be a button that says copy to clipboard, which is something I just like because I tend to have these journals, right? Like here, and I will just write it out by hand. And I would very much prefer just going into menu and clicking the copy to clipboard, and then I can just paste it in here, and you can kind of track your win rate like that. By the way, I got 18 to 100 on Sonic Wave with 3 hours sleep. And now I've been going for a long fucking time. I've been up for 16 hours after that. I'm fucking tired, bro. Bye bye.